Hey fellas, we've been running these, a few of the safe finals that I'll show you here real quick. We've turned all of these in one night so far, or one evening. Parted out the stock on the LeBlanc here. Parted it out, drilled, tapped, got it ready for the little one. It's running the 1.5" aluminum with the Schar's tool here. We got a little bit of aluminum stuck on it. It's just a round insert. I don't know if it's focused in there or not, but so that's the little round insert. It's 240 thousandths in diameter. We've been running a few of these. We'll show you one of them real quick. Takes about 11 minutes, 13 minutes to run one, so here you go. The first pass is always a real light pass. We're running 1,000 RPM on the spindle, 8 inches a minute on the feed rate, and I think we're doing 10,000 step down. I'll tell you in a second. Yeah, 10 thousandths per pass. Takes a few passes here to get started, but you can see it run here once. It's been a little while. It does squeal and carry on, but it really doesn't hurt anything for what we're doing. You can see it there, it's starting to turn out a little bit of the rear or the bottom of the profile. There, we've made our first step there. That's the second big part of the bell in there. As you've seen in the first part of the video, now it'll do the whole rounding end. Then it'll go back and finish the center section. So. The very end gets a little monotonous watching it do all these little cuts, but it seems to work really well. We have decided that these safe finials are taking up too much of the mill's time, so we are going to CNC this small lathe. We're going to use a pair of clear pass servos and another Masso to run it with. So you guys might, if you want, keep an eye out for that. We're going to try to get it done here. Start mounting the servos hopefully in the next couple weeks. Hopefully by next month this time we'll have the Masso bought and on here running, so we can get the mill back. We've kind of tied it up making all of these. But you got to do what you got to do to make a little money, right? Say thanks to Maurice at M&W Repair out in Montana. He's the fellow that wanted all of these. He's got a double door safe that has a third door on the inside that it does take the full 20 Finials just to do one safe. So we want to say thanks to him. That way he gets to see at least one of them being made. It's kind of cool. We still have one more to run tonight. We'll have to do the finished pass and then we'll call it a night tonight. We get them all finished and polished up. I'll put a picture at the end of the video of all of them set together. I think they look pretty cool. You can see that, I think you can see it there, in the small feature that Brian's got programmed in. We actually go in and cut this manually. A little bit of the last feature we cut by hand just because it's faster to do than changing the tooling out in the mill. And Brian says clearance is clearance, so he's got just enough to clear the head there. It's a pretty tight fit. So there that one is. It's completely finished. We'll polish it later. He's gonna take just a minute here. We usually take the burr off on the back side and take just a little bit of the tip off to finish them. So there it is. We'll start this process all over. There it is. Good deal. We'll throw in another blank and take right back off. So, well, fellas, I hope you enjoyed it. That's just a little bit of what we've been doing. Like I say, we're going to get back to running the mill soon. We'll try to keep track of everything we use on the 9x20 lathe in case somebody else wants to do the same thing. Looks like we're going to mount. We're going to go down here at the end of the machine and mount the servo and put in a ball screw, and we're going to do away with the compound and put in a ball screw and everything for the main slide. So we're going to start there and see how it goes. All right, fellas, we got to make more chips, so we'll see you later.